Scandalous case making its way through Milwaukee County hits a bit of a roadblock.
A judge recused herself from the case of a former public defender accused of soliciting prostitutes. Prosecutors charged Travis Schwantes in November. Now, the judge says she has a conflict of interest and suggests any other judge may also have them. Here's investigative reporter James Stratton.
Tonight, a former public defender turned defendant now in limbo over who will preside over his case. Prosecutors charged Travis Schwantes in November with 4 felonies, 2 misdemeanors, including soliciting and patronizing prostitutes, along with misconduct in public office. Court records detail a prostitution ring involving Schwantes and 5 others charged with misdemeanors, including a former judge and a now resigned Milwaukee firefighter. In a recent hearing, Judge Michelle Havis recused herself, saying in transcripts 12 News Investigates obtained, quote, recent filings have triggered concerns that ongoing relationships with the defendant's prior place of employment may be impacted by any currently sitting Milwaukee County judge presiding over this case.
How rare is it that a judge stands up and says, nope, none of us can represent
I've never
this
heard
person?
anybody say that before.
Former Wisconsin Court Justice Janine Geske explains Havis can recuse herself or take herself off the case if she believes there's a conflict.
That's an individual decision of a judge, whether you can sit it on it or not.
The case now in the hands of Chief Judge Carl Ashley.
I think that went further than she could have or should have done, but the case is going to have to be reassigned to another judge.
Geske explains the circuit court could choose a new judge or ask the director of the state courts,
who then can pull a judge from anywhere in the state. So it could either be a reserve judge, somebody who's retired and sitting in, or it could be a judge from a different county.
Schwantes is due back in court here in Milwaukee County 1 month from today. Chief Judge Carl Ashley telling us that decision could be made May 1st on who presides or even earlier, but wouldn't say who it could be. Downtown for you tonight, I'm James Stratton, WISN 12 News.
Schwantes' defense lawyer would not comment on the recusal. Officials in the DA office say they did not request a special prosecutor because they don't believe there is a conflict of interest.